In formulas in vector differentiation, if vector A and vector B is given, then the dot product will be A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. Cross product will be IJK A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3, its determinant. Then angle between them will be cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by magnitudes of vector A and vector B. Magnitudes can be calculated like root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. Now unit vector will be vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. Gradient of a function phi, grad phi is equal to dou phi by dou x. With respect to x, partially we have to differentiate the function phi I plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Angle between two surfaces will be cos theta is equal to grad phi 1 dot grad phi 2 divided by magnitudes of grad phi 1 into grad phi 2. Then unit normal vector will be n cap is equal to grad phi divided by magnitude of grad phi. Directional derivative will be grad phi dot n cap. Next, divergence of a field F will be div of F is equal to dou F1 divided by dou x plus dou F2 by dou y plus dou F3 by dou z. Now, if the divergence is 0, we call it as solenoidal. Curl of F is equal to cross product of the field IJK dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, F1, F2, F3. If curl is 0, we call it as irrotational. Then scalar potential. Scalar potential of the field F is found from the grad of the function phi. So here curl of F will be 0, and to find grad phi we know the formula, and the field F will be knowing. If we equate both of them and if we integrate, we'll get the scalar potential.